The state's campaign finance law prohibits appointed public employees from soliciting or receiving contributions. Who is a public employee? A public employee is anyone appointed for compensation at the state, county, or municipal levels, full-time or part-time. Public employees include public school teachers, firefighters, police officers, community college administrators, and state highway employees. If a public employee decides to run for office, the rules are still in effect, even for their own campaigns. For example, public employees who are also candidates should not make phone calls asking individuals to attend their fundraising events. Public employees who are also candidates should not sell tickets to their own political fundraisers. Public employees who also run for office are prohibited from hosting fundraising dinners at their own homes. How can a public employee who is also a candidate raise money for his or her campaign? A candidate must form a political committee to perform all fundraising functions. For example, an invitation to a candidate's fundraiser, if he or she is a public employee, must appear to come from the committee, not the candidate. Social media. A public employee who is also a candidate may use social media to ask for votes, discuss issues, request sign holders, and post other non-fundraising information on their own time and using their personal social media accounts. All fundraising solicitations on social media platforms must come from the public employee candidate's committee pages, not the candidate personally. For example, the campaign Facebook page should appear to be from the committee, not from the public employee who is also a candidate. Prohibited contributions. The committee for a public employee who is also a candidate may not accept contributions from anyone who works for the candidate in his or her capacity as a public employee. For example, a captain who works at a county jail decides to run for sheriff. The captain's campaign committee may not accept contributions from correctional officers who work for the captain. Additionally, the committee for a public employee who is a candidate may not accept contributions from a person who had or has any interest in any particular manner in which the candidate participated. A public employee who is also a candidate should also consult the state's Ethics Commission prior to running for office.